Bronco enthusiasts, I appreciate that you're here. I think it is fantastic, and I'm going to be sharing with you my little adventure here on getting my Bronco modernized. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and if you're watching this to this point already, you're a Bronco enthusiast, so sign up, or you're drunk and you should sign up and subscribe anyways, and tomorrow morning when you sober up, you can go, I subscribe to what? And you can take care of it and get rid of it then. But in the meantime, wanted to update you where I'm at, where I'm going. If you haven't already seen my original video from April, it's now October, of where I was when I started this and what my scope was going to be, you can see we've kind of blown the whole thing out. But I've decided, hey, I'm going to modernize the Bronco. I want to maintain its styling and look, so I'm not painting it. I'm not doing a body off restoration, but I am modernizing it. I'm going to get some things cleaned up. I've owned it now for 26 years. And next month in November of 2017, the truck will be 50 years old. It's a 68, but it was a November 67 build. But if you want to see what it looked like when we started, look at the older videos. But what we're going to do is we're going to modernize it, get rid of things, you know, like I had the manual throttle and manual choke knobs on the dashboard. Are you kidding me? It's 2017. So we're going to be doing modern stuff, but I'm also going to be doing stuff to keep this thing alive for another 50 years. So that's where our scope is going to be. Please subscribe, and we'll start in. I have some footage of what got us to this point. So we'll be running some older footage for a little bit to show you the teardowns and the things that we were doing to get to this point. You know, originally, was I ever going to pull the engine? No, but there it is. So that's what we're going to do, and welcome aboard, and hope you stay along for the ride. Thanks, everyone. All right, what you doing, Kevin?
We're pulling the engine out of the car so we can clean up everything inside.
All right, so we're pulling the engine on the 68 Bronco. We have pulled the radiator, fan. We left the water pump and the alternator in. Disconnected the starter relay. Fuel, we just cut the power lines all together. Oh, we got fluid dumping out. No, don't worry about it. Keep going. Keep going. And we got the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh hoist here doing the work. Only thing I'm worried about is getting enough height to get it over the front cowl there. Look at that, 15-year-old antifreeze, clear as a whistle. That's pretty amazing, because this car sat for 10 years. All right, we're about to hit on the backside, so we got to roll it forward just a little bit. All right, we're taking it up. We're still going. We're coming right up against the bracket there. That's Uncle Carl helping out today. A family affair. All right, keep going. Just need to go another inch higher. Another inch. Will we make it? Now we took the oil pan off, so that'll help clear it. And we do have it on the last bolt on the old. We're good. All right, stop. All right, there she is after 50 years, just a little rust, not bad actually. This will clean up pretty good. Okay, we got the engine out so we can get this bay cleaned up. We got to pull the heater out because we're going vintage air. We got to pull the steering column out because we're going to I did it on the column automatic as we're taking the 3-speed out, which was the original thing that prompted this. So we got a lot to clean up, lots of gunk and rust inside here that, you know, yeah, it's 50 years old, but, you know, it's not a whole lot of rust, but I don't want it to get worse. So we'll do that. I'm going to order the stainless steel body mount kits with the correct, you know, solvent or solution you put on them to keep them from seizing, so we can get all that done. And while I'm messing around here, Kevin, my 13-year-old son, is starting to pull the dash out because we got to get in underneath there so we can do the vintage air. So, alright, that's the update, and thanks for watching, and we'll update you with our next progress.